Hey, what up, guys? Here's another update for this week. I'm at $18,159. I've gained $271 unrealized gains, and then earned dividends is $89. So for this week, I have, well, tomorrow, or technically in a few hours, I have just to buy for Disney. Putting in $40. Buying it around $90, or no, sorry, $99. And then the past few days I bought SAAP around $92, and then I also bought MPW around $16. Those are dividend payers right there, those three. So yeah, just still dollar cost averaging every week. So far I'm putting in $300 every week. On Monday I get 150 put in, and then on Wednesday I get another $150. So yeah, for overall for the market, 50-50 right now. If we do get a drop, I think it would be the last drop that we get. But I'm still not sure. I was expecting a drop, like a bigger, or everything's dropping right now, but I was expecting like a big hard drop soon. But I'm not too sure right now. Bitcoin is even running to like 24 around there, $23,000. So yeah, just still dollar cost averaging. If the market does have one more pullback, I'll be adding more. But yeah, no one ever knows, and you can't really time the market. So yeah, just still dollar cost averaging. If you want to stay up to date, just subscribe, and then I'll let you guys know what else I buy. Thanks. Peace.